Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I am going to start with tonight's show. All right, so we're going to get reports from the London Evening Standard. Say Arsenal don't get huge Ricardo Calafiori injury boost. When I saw the headline, I was like, wait a minute. I know waste time. I clicked the story as I just said, it was very attractive. Arsenal handed Ricardo Calafiori boost ahead of Tottenham Hotspur showdown. All right, so when you read the entirety of the report, you can see where they talk say, okay, say Calafiori injury no dey too serious. You get say the hippie. I think the story started from here. Italy hope Ricardo Calafiori will be fit for their final World Cup qualifier. So the update now from Italian camp will get them. You know, say they forcefully carry Calafiori, even though Arsenal wanted him to wait. And yesterday, I think when I reported the story, I told you that I don't know the severity. We don't know how serious this particular injury dey. But Italy now don't assess am to the hope say go dey fit for their final World Cup qualifier game against Norway on Sunday in a major boost for Arsenal. So reports in Italy have suggested Calafiori is managing hip pain and the defender is not expected to play against Moldova. It will be today. So they will see how that match will go. Now the second slide, now here they call the talk say at the end of the day, Arsenal said but the hope say he go come back hale and hearty, come help us play against Tottenham Hotspur in the North London derby. But even if something go wrong with them before the match, we get Skelly, we get Hincapié. Yeah, so this is not the time we will play half fit players. They say they maybe 50% or maybe 40%, all those kinds of things. No. It is either you are fit or you are not fit. And make it itself not risk our player. You get, but then go use their desperation. In fact, based on what even happened today, we Norway win. I don't see Italy going as automatic entry. SIS go finish second, go through playoff. Because Norway win 4-1 today. So which magic Italy won't do? In fact, today I calm down, study their table. Norway win 4-1. Solot scored 2. Ireland scored 2. You get, look at the table. Norway did 21 points. They don't play 7 games. It remain 1. You get 21 points. It is 6 points ahead of Italy. Italy they play like this now. They play like this now. Like this, as I did show now, they play like this now. The match now 0-0. I checked the lineup. Calafiori no dey there. I checked those who dey for the bench. Calafiori no dey there. I said, okay, no wahala. Look at Italy. Then they're on 15 points. So assuming say they win today now, they go on 18. So even if they win their final match, there is no way they want to win and they want to break the goal difference between them and Norway. Look, 10, 20, 29 goal difference. How they want to do them? If not even by head to head, the first match, Norway knock Italy 3-0 when Italy never see their period, when they never get their bearing. So there is no amount of desperation, nothing they fit do. Just win your game today. You get. Even Zemeka even look who they thought. What is the point difference? Israel 9-15. So there is nothing. Yet, even if Italy win today now, they no fit finish more than second. Now the way me I dey see am, because there's no way you go and beat Norway maybe 20-0 or 11-0. It's not possible. You were chop 3-0 first leg. So I don't understand all this desperation wey got to some before they carry for head. But then try calm down. No, that be my own. May I no go carry extra injury, go give our player. And my own be that. Now, away from that, so Thierry Henry and Drogba, they call the bets. What are they betting? So they call they talk about Arsenal and Chelsea. You get so they call they talk about the goal, like the defensive record which Chelsea don't set. You get so far this season, Arsenal already conceded only 5 goals. You know, Chelsea sets that 15 goal a season with them concede that record. So Henry called it Drogba say if we break on a record, my put on that. If we break on a record, we go wear Arsenal jersey number 14. We Arsenal hats. Drogba say he agree. He agree. So now be the bets. Which of them bet? So we see whether Arsenal run. Henry get believe say Arsenal go fit run am. Drogba say lie, it's not possible because we already conceded 5 goals. You get, and matches still plenty. You get. Now away from that. So Chris Whitley come let us know wetin Raya dey talk. Wetin Raya dey talk now, wetin Saka dey talk now, wetin Rice dey talk. For you to know say all these players, their mentality dey at the right place. Now, Raya said, of course, we are Arsenal and we want to win the Premier League. We want to win everything. That's why we play for Arsenal, but it's too far away. We are only 10, 11 games into the season, and it's too far to think ahead. You have to think game by game, day by day, and we'll see where we are in May. I watched this particular interview. I watched it for ESPN. Yes. I think that for the international duty, now they ask another question. Like, how far are you asking? What did they saw? Now you can clear their doubt. Say, our plan is to win something this season. Once whether go win one or two things. I like that mentality. Make them keep them in check. Yes. We'll just continue. Because make I no lie for you. Man, no make I come on this picture first. Man, no lie for you. If we don't win that this season, eh? You see doubts. Doubts go creep into the hearts of the players. They no go ever believe in the fit win them again. Because they will be the one that say, even if next season now will start well, we will say, Man City now will still come overtake us, or maybe Liverpool will still come overtake us, or maybe next season now, Chelsea can't be her. So, like, it has to be this season. It has to be now. If we not win the league now, we need to win the league equivalent, Champions League. Very, very key. Like this season, now season we're supposed to make a very big statement. Now, doing me, I didn't see because how do you explain that last season that was supposed to be our season wasn't ours? This season that is supposed to be our season isn't ours. How do you explain it at the end of the day? So it must not. It must not. So I concur with Raya. I did with 100. Let's come back to this report. Now, Alan Pardew, when they talk, say, man, you scared the way people they talk, say, maybe he go join West Ham or maybe he go Everton. Say, him honestly, no see Masu Skelly leaving Arsenal. So you know really the realistic. Yeah, because they ask and say, what do you think? Whether Masu Skelly based on saying they find game time, maybe go play for West Ham. This is not possible. And basically, remember, I talk, say, I don't see that happening. Because we hear say Everton they disturb. West Ham said they disturb. Everybody they follow the news now. They don't know say the boy won't play World Cup. And he don't know the requirements to play the World Cup game time. Get so and people know we won't give them the game time as in. And when you look at the statistics, that's what they talk say they know they dribble and easily. Miles is scary. Get that's why people are referring to the one that say, what did he do? That made Ateta relegating to the backbone. What did he do? Get so that video what they tell you. This particular news, not be Raya news, but that's why they tell you about Raya when they say we have to win and the video with this. So that ESPN did. Now, this particular report now, FIFA nominates Declan Rice goal against Real Madrid. That second free kick when score. They nominate and say they will give him the Puskas award. So nobody him they nominated. Not many people will get so, but Rice, you follow there. April 8th, 2025. So that is second goal against Real Madrid. They put them on the last angle where we see Couture. Oh, no see. No see. So that's why they nominated for that one. So we'll just watch whether I go win at the end of the day. All right, for that same video, they ask Raya, say, which particular signing Arsenal make will really impress him. So you can say, oh, it has to be Zubimendi. Say the guy came in, hit the ground running, like he's a player that is very, very clever and adapted well to the Premier League, where there's a lot of players that it takes a little bit of time to adapt here, especially in his role. He has just adapted so quick, and you can see what he does for the team. And this will not be like everybody they say, I'm saying, Zubimendi, they really do so well. They represent well. Now, let's address the elephants in the room. Arsenal versus Gabon. I watched the match, get. But I don't know why I don't score Arsenal versus Gabon. I made that mistake in the morning also. When we enter my dear, just actually to be Arsenal and Nigeria. Oh God, Arsenal enter my head too much. Nigeria versus Gabon. That match, I watched the match. The match was it was heartbreaking at some point. Oh no, you see that 9 minutes, I think when it was okay, first off the penalty. Imagine the beats bang, they don't blow this, they don't blow. In fact, if say them blow, I don't think anybody will come and argue. So no be penalty. Because truly, we see Koro say our player draw, Nigeria player, he draw Gabon player shirt. But the referee felt it was not sufficient enough. Whether in drum, that one no be bone of contention. The contention now, she they enough. So that's why the referee say, no, it's in the trend for Twitter. They say we do Gabon Ojoro. You get, we score one goal, then they call equalize. But by last minute of the match, you see me miss open, like, you see me miss biggest chance everywhere. I don't expect them to miss that kind of thing. But at the end of the day, we went forward, see me score the brace. Get so as I do the show, Cameroon said they play their own game. So anybody win for the Cameroon match, now we go play for the final. If we win, we'll come go international level, go meet like other teams we did there, go follow them battle. We'll find how we'll take go this work or one for the backyard enter. So at least at the end of the day, it makes sense. Say we actually win because some of the so we no go this World Cup. It go bad, but we never go sure. But we are on our way. We will see how it will be. And when you watch how the match they go, you see say despite missing Galatasaray's Champions League match this season with Osimhen in this competition top scorer with 6 goals. So Baba they do well for Champions League and for these qualifiers. So instead they do very well because I watch ESPN reports about Osimhen, everybody singing his praises. They're praising him because he score brace. If to say he no score brace and that way other match take end, maybe they come beat us, Baba. What if they for take Osimhen I see today? You no go believe him. You no go believe him. But thank God, we don't qualify. So on to the next news. Now, Sky Sports football, they can't do one analysis. When they ask, say, how many clubs Manchester Skelly go even start for? They say Manchester Skelly no go fit start from Man City. He no fit start for Arsenal, but he go start for Liverpool. Skelly say he go start for Liverpool, saying they're better than Milokarkes and Robinson because Liverpool felt Robinson on the Shalaski, they can't go buy the Milokarkes. Karkes come here, he no can't hit the ground running, they can't bring back Robinson. So if to say Manchester Skelly did there, probably he would have started for them. That is the analysis. Does it resonate with you? Do you agree? Do you disagree? All right, let me know your thoughts in the comments section. Now, away from that, so we're going to hear say Raya has made the most clean sheets in both the Champions League, that is 4 clean sheets, and the Premier League, 7 clean sheets. Now, he's the only goalkeeper with 100% save percentage in the Champions League. Don't forget, say Arsenal, they yet to concede for the Champions League, so no be beans, yes. They yet to concede, and by the time we will play Bayern for the next match, we'll see whether we will concede our first goal or maybe our records will be intact. Mojo DC. Now let's read the first message from one of our sponsors and Super Eagles Supporters Club of Nigeria. You get so they are calling you to come and join them. You get, for example, as we did for Morocco now, who will play against this match. So if I remember now, maybe by now if I don't do there now, they follow them, they chant, get, they follow them, they gyrate, get. So that one's the so they're calling you to come and join them. So if you're interested, the contact please Ademola Alawade on 00342153314. Again, they also have a page on IG, Super Eagles Supporters Club of Nigeria, and they also have a page on Facebook, Super Eagles Supporters Club of Nigeria. So if you're interested, don't waste time, don't hesitate, just contact them for the number with the at the bottom of the screen. Now, at the same time, let's begin another message from another of our sponsors, Mr. Uche, who has this Toyota RAV4, again, 2007 model American spec. This is a Tokumbo car, 6-cylinder engine, 5.6 capacity. Then the mileage is 110,225 kilometers. The location of this particular car we see now Lagos, and Mr. Uche wants sell 10 million naira. So if you're interested, contact them for 234-703-869667. Okay, the number is at the bottom of the screen. Don't hesitate. So if you're interested, here are other pictures of the vehicle. This is another picture of the car. So if you're interested, follow that number waiting for the bottom of the screen. Contact him on WhatsApp ASAP. Very, very important. Now on TNT Sports, I see Owen Hargreaves. I see like they're plenty. They call they analyze TNT crew. Hargreaves say, I think the best City side are better than the best Arsenal side. The TNT crew debates who is the best team challenging for the Premier League title and Slot's problem at Liverpool and more in the latest episode. Now, a majority of the crew say the best Man City, like they better. For me, I was waiting for one particular point whether any of them mind will go there. Nobody said it. These two teams, so that they argue will be the best. They don't meet. What's happened for the match? How did the match go? Who behaved like a coward? Who behaved like a victor? These are like, should I call it undisputable, I mean indisputable. How want they put the English? Make it go where? These two teams, they don't play before. In fact, more even enter another angle. How many of the Manchester City first 11 will break into the Arsenal first 11, and how many of the Arsenal first 11 will break into the Man City first 11? I can tell you for free that a majority of the Arsenal players will break into the Man City first 11. First from the defense, our 4 back line, the 4 back, you go break into Man City back line. Donnarumma go bench Raya. I know I'll do that one. You go bench Raya. But instead of 4, Magalhaes, Saliba, Simba, Calafiori, you go bench the whole of Man City back line. We have more enter midfield. I go pick Zubimendi over Rangers. Rodri no dey. Rice go enter that midfield. That midfield Rice go enter am. Odegaard go push Cherokee for bench. Shey you dey whine me. I was waiting for that analysis, for them to say it, because that is how you check the both teams. Who is the best? No, they use Pep Guardiola antecedent, historical data. Use present tense, use the Old Testament, use First and Second Corinthians, Baba. Make you check am. It's clear. But nobody gave me that vibe. Again, the young dogs. But I said, okay, no wahala, because majority of them going to say, Man City will come back home. Man City are very, very good. They are excited. They are clinical. They have that mentality. That was Man City of the past. This is a new Man City. This is a new one. You get? I know say Alan go bench go carry his move back. You get? Saka go enter that first 11. This one never know how things they go. Shey na Matthew Nunes wey dem convert when they play defense. I mean na Nico O'Reilly wey dem convert from midfield go play fullback. Then how they want to do am? If we meet again for neutral ground, they go collect. If we meet for Etihad, fine, at their home, I'll give them that one. But say we meet for neutral ground. In fact, they no go like to meet us. Don't be here with the Pep, they talk, say in player, say they prefer to play Liverpool than Arsenal. Why are they saying that? Well, they can leave all those to make I enter another story, because sometimes when they see all this cancel, it's really the best feeling you get. Now, the Athletic only let us know, so the Turkish Federation, this news mad. The Turkish Federation don't ban 102 players from Turkey's top 2 divisions as part of an investigation into betting. Now, 25 of those players are from the Turkish top flights, 77 are from Division 2. Now, they even banned 2 Galatasaray players. In fact, one don't even go for camp already. One play World Cup qualified. They call and say, Baba Alpha, they don't ban you, they do 45 days ban. Now, you know what they do with betting people. You get, they give the expo, you get, oh, making a bet, I go collect a yellow card, I go die for 72 minutes. All those kind of insider trading information. They give another guy 9 months ban. You get, Turkey man, the kind thing they do for that country. I don't really understand. Now, away from that, Ben Jacobs currently let us know, say UEFA already agreed to create a professional players consultation forum to discuss player welfare and workload. It follows a meeting between World Football Governing Body and 30 player unions in Morocco ahead of the under-27s Women's World Cup. It's good, you get, because this one they come amid the PFA, Professional Football Players Association, where they partner say if this FA implements a new rule on puts, they will sue them. So it's good making that they take players' welfare into consideration, because just they spring up different competition here and there. Forget this, a human being will play all these things. They are not robots. Yet they are very, very important. Now they will come watch. No, they will they come look. Now Bukai Saka them, they can rise and they will come watch for TV every day. Get that's why if they get injury now, they will pay us. So men are just they careful. I like all this new initiative. It's a good step in the right direction. So more just they see how they're going to do all these things as they run and they go. It makes a whole lot of sense. Now, away from that. So Declan Rice, okay, I think I've taken this story before with the nominated Declan Rice for the Puskas Award. Yes, so I've taken that particular story. All right, let's bring you a message from another of our sponsors, in Mobile World Associates and Co-Limited, to the into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate and shore protection works. They are also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, call them on +234 80646422 34, and they're located on number 7 Ekenwa Road, Orazi, opposite Stevenson Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of their services, please do reach out to them. So, my dear lovers, I think it's a fine place for sport show and end. So, till I come your way tomorrow morning to give you the morning. So, then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Have a good night. I'm not your mouth. All right, guys. Ciao.